Hello, we are so excited to be with you today and to talk about the latest and greatest news in the Nu Skin digital world. You know me, Jen Bagby, and Daryl Mock, our Blue Diamond and Team Elite sales manager. But I want to introduce you to a new face that might look somewhat familiar. Raul is Eddie's brother, but he's actually not new to Nu Skin at all. But we thought we would bring attention to the better looking Gonzalez brother. Well, man, we have sure been busy on all things digital. We want to give you a quick update on what we've been working on in the past couple months and what you can anticipate in the future. Raul, can you tell us a little bit of what we've been working on nuskin.com?
Definitely, Jen. Recently, we updated the navigation on nuskin.com. You can now find Nu Skin's fantastic products in a number of different ways, including common categories such as anti-aging, oral care, and multivitamins. You can also search by ingredients. In addition to the new navigation, we wanted to emphasize Nu Skin's opportunity with the new Earn with Nu Skin page to help show all that Nu Skin offers to those interested in doing the Nu Skin business.
Thanks, Raul. As you've heard us mention in the past, we are continually moving to simplify access to our digital toolset. Keeping with this strategy, we have started to move specific features of Office into VNG to make Volumes and Genealogy and the My Nu Skin app your one-stop shop for all your business needs. We have started this process by moving Office into VNG, and we will be turning Office off eventually. But not to fear, you can find what you're looking for in VNG. Some of these changes you will see in VNG include access to all of your Office favorites, including document search, sign-up invitations, the My Site admin tool, and other important links to business documents. It also includes a new dashboard. At this time, we are using this dashboard to track those things you most want to see on your own business dashboard. Please play around with this dashboard so that we know what you are looking for and what feedback you may have on our future dashboard. A new leadership preview report is available in the Teams report. This new report will show you how many in your sales organization have purchased the soon-to-be-released Nutricentials and Boost products. We have also added enhanced security to make sure orders are placed in the correct account. As a reminder, do not share your login credentials or passwords with others. When logging out of any of our tools, we will make sure that all open browser windows are refreshed and logged out. Lastly, VNG will have a new name soon, so stay tuned for this change. With these new features, we want to remind you of a couple of the most important features of VNG that many use every day in running their business. Daryl, why don't you walk us through some of those features?
Sure, Jen. In my work with a lot of the leaders that are building their teams at a rapid pace, I see different leaders using volumes and genealogies in different ways. You should know that we have a team of managers and programmers globally as well that are working on building out this tool that is already very useful and advanced in many ways to be a more powerful tool to help you as an individual build your business the way that you want to. I am excited that there are more features being added that Jen and Raul already talked about, and more to be added and enhanced as time goes on. So if you haven't clicked around the VNG lately to see what's in store for you, I hope you will take some time to discover what's really there. Please go ahead, click away. I think you may find many tools along with your creativity and ingenuity can help you bring more new energy and growth to your business. And I can't wait to see what you can do with it. Here are a few examples of reports that leaders use. One of the reports I want to talk about is the Qualifying Brand Representative Tracker. This can be found either in Proxy or in the Group tab if you're looking at the qualifying brand representatives within your group. And this can also be seen by these individuals themselves. One thing to note is along the right-hand side of the report, you will find that there are checkboxes, and once all those boxes are checked, they're good to go. The next report is for an individual as they are going through the process of qualifying for success trips. The GPS report is another valuable tool to give you a lot of information, and this is one of those things where if you have the opportunity to click and look through all the different resources that are available there, you'll find many useful tools. Another report is the top selling products by quantity or by PSV. These reports are very useful for leaders to identify where they need to focus their attention within their organizations. Another tool that does very similar that focuses very similarly is a new tool, and it's really popular. This one you'll find within the Products tab on the left-hand side of the Volumes and Genealogies. Next, I would like to talk about the Teams tab. This is used by a lot of Blue Diamonds and Team Elites to check on the progress of their sales leaders throughout the month. They will visit this page quite often on a daily basis to see where growth is happening within their organization so that they can drill in and help in those areas. Finally, I'd like to talk about Nurse the Children. Nurse the Children might be 5% of what we do, but it's 95% of who we are. Here, in this area, you can track the donations that you're making as well as those that are in your team.
Thanks, Daryl. That's some great information. And I hope that you will all take to heart what Daryl's been talking about with our Volumes and Genealogies tool. Raul, what has been going on with my site?
In the past few months, we've really seen the use of our digital tools explode and take center stage. Doing the business from wherever you are has never been easier. For anyone new to the business, My Site is your own personal website. You can create your URL and set up your My Site from newskin.com. You can use the defaulted products we provided, or you can choose your own. As a reminder, this past summer we also added the ability to offer member pricing and create a subscription. As a site owner, you can choose what pricing you want displayed on your site. If you choose member pricing, anyone that purchases through your My Site will be signed up as a member, and if desired, can create a subscription during checkout.
Thanks, Raul. We want to remind you that if by chance you do want to return one of our amazing products, that you can do that online by simply going to the Contact Us page or clicking on the link in your order confirmation email. We have been working on a new simplified sign-up form for all of our brand affiliate, member, and customer sign-ups. We have significantly shortened these forms and are excited to get these out into our markets. These are coming very shortly, and more information will be provided in the near future. We hope you can see that there's something for everyone in our digital tool offering to help you manage your business. We'd like to thank you for watching.
Hello?
Hey, how are you doing? How was your trip?
Really good. I had such a good time, except for I started to kind of break out a little bit while I was there. Hey, I saw that video you posted the other day. Your skin's looking great. What are you using?
Oh, thanks. I've been using the HLAC Lumi Spa. Would you like me to send you a link to it?
Yeah, please do. I'd love to try them.
Alright, just give me a minute. Well, I'll send that to you.
Oh, you know what? I've got to go. My boss just finished his 100-mile run. See ya!
Remember, if you forget how to use Product Offer, you can access this training video on our YouTube channel.
I'm loving that product you sent me the other day.
You do? That's so good to hear.
I've been meaning to ask you though, what have y'all been using on your skin? Y'all look radiant.
I know.
Thanks for noticing. I use the LumiSpa, and I also take the Youth that I have to take every day, and I carry it with me so that I don't forget.
Hey, I was gonna ask you, I have my product on subscription, and I was wondering if there's a way that I can hold the order or skip it because I'll be out of town this month and I don't want to miss the delivery.
It's super easy. You can log into newskin.com and you can edit the dates and the products. Let me send you a video that'll show you how to do it.
Awesome, thank you.
Can you send me some more information on this as well?
Yeah, of course. I have a link to my website that I can send you, and you can look up the product.
Excuse me.
Oh, hey.
I might be interested.
Oh, come on over.